Hello everyone. I'm outside with Bear. You'll probably see him zooming around here or jumping on me anytime soon. I just wanted to come on very super quick. Usually when I do clean with me videos, I kind of share with you guys the essential oils that Simply Earth sends me. I did do an unboxing for them a few months ago in the summertime, and I just fell in love with their product. This video is not sponsored, but they have been sending me out these beautiful boxes every month, and I've wanted to share them with you guys. So usually I do that in my cleaning videos because I do use them in my craft room. I diffuse them all the time in my craft room or in my office. That's both like my working space, right? So they're constantly being diffused and I love them, and I just wanted to be sure to share with you guys the September box because there are some. So it always comes with like a little recipe pages as well, and you'll see that, and stickers. So the very first box that they sent me, they gave me a starter kit which had the rollers, empty vials, all sorts of stuff, coconut oil, the carrier oil, so that you can mix stuff, so you always have those things to go to, and then you can add the essential oils too. But see, they send you little stickers, so there's like these little happy or like little positive quotes, and then they'll send you like the sugar scrub soap bar. So they'll give you the recipe and then the little stickers so you can stick things on. And I'm super excited this box because it has soap base. So you've got like your flowers and spice diffuser blend. They'll send you information on that, and a Happy Joy facial soap, a Happy Joy roll on. That's always nice. Flowers, spice, and something nice soap, a sugar scrub soap bar, which I definitely look forward to making, and a lemongrass. I'm not even sure how to pronounce some of those words. So those are some of the recipes that came this month. And then this little aloe glycerine soap base and the very cute mold. I love it. Do you see that? It says 100% handmade. Oh, it is so freaking cute, and it's like silicone based. So I am looking forward to making my own little, oh my gosh. No, that one doesn't smell yet because there's no essential oils. I'm looking forward to making my own soap. Does anyone else make soap or bath bombs out there? My daughter loves bath bombs, so I'm constantly making bath bombs for her. But soap is one thing. I did buy some stuff online and never really got into it. So I'm wondering if you guys out there make it. Let's see what kind of essential oils are in the box. We've got Happy Joy, which comes in a little yellow teardrop there. And this one is Bay. So this one is huge. It's 15 mil, and then this one is 5 mil. So this must be a pretty potent, or maybe like a very costly type essential oil. But I also wanted to mention that they even advertise that on some of their little bottles, but on the back of their box I think it even explains. It does, but it's stuck with a little sticker. They send for they do 13% goes towards, so they have like a charity. It's hashtag Be a World Changer, and 13% to end human trafficking. So I think they have a great cause behind them. I just absolutely love this company. Their website is so easy to navigate through. It's so clean. They have everything. They have the diffusers, so if you're into if you want to diffuse oils, it basically you pour water into a little dehumidifier, and it sends out like a very, not a mist, it's kind of like a fog. I don't know. I love it. I have 3 of them in my craft room. There's like in every angle when I come up, or I come up the stairs, you can just smell it. I love it. I used to have them in the kitchen area, but then I moved them all upstairs because I find that the smell travels down anyways from upstairs to downstairs. This one is lemongrass. And then we also have, I'm not sure how to pronounce that. So they all look really nice, and now these are smells I'm not familiar with. And I love diffusing I've made candles as well. I think I've shared that on the channel, where I use essential oils and I put them into just plain white candles from the Dollar Tree. But I also love at Christmas time, they have like a pine smell or a like a fir smell, and I just love pine tree smell. Oh, this is so lovely. Oh, it's refreshing. I don't know what this is called. So again, this one here, I had no idea what this smell was going to be. smells so good. I wonder what Bear is. I'm running around. Lemongrass is always like a nice up. Like it's nice and refreshing. Oh, just love it. And even in the kitchen, if you want to drop a little bit on your sponge in the sink, I love that. And then it just dries overnight and the next day it smells lovely. So there's that. I really like this package. These are all very fresh smells, but I don't know. I don't find that they're powerful and strong to give you a headache or anything. Some smells can trigger headaches for some people, but oh my gosh, bae. That is lovely. Another thing I like to do is maybe I'm crazy. I put a little bit of essential oil sometimes on the tips of Q-tips, and then I stick it inside. I dip the essential oil or the essential oil onto the Q-tip end and saturate it, and then I'll stick that little Q-tip with a piece of tape inside the toilet paper roll, and it just leaves a nice smell in the bathroom as well. And now Happy Joy. I'm not sure what this is going. Okay, it smells like it's fresh, but like almost like baby smell. I don't know. Everyone smells things differently, but this kind of reminds me of like just like a really, really nice light smell. So that one is Happy Joy. So I just want to say thank you again to Simply Earth Essential Oils for sending me this lovely package. I am so looking forward to working around with it. If anyone is out there making stuff, please let me know. I would really like to experiment with making some of their little hand soaps. And if that's something you'd like to see me do on the channel, I'd be happy to share how I use my essential oils. Usually that's something I share in my cleaning videos, but I'd be happy to do a little dedicated video if you guys want some ideas on how I use essential oils around the house. But I gotta go look for Bear. I'm not sure where he went. Anyways, till next time everyone, I hope you enjoyed this little unboxing. Bye for now. There he is. Do you want to say hi to the camera so everyone can see your little face? Oh, I know, you've been running around. Look, there's Bear. He never shows his face this way. Oh, there he is. There. Do you want to say bye? Do you want to say bye? Hey? I know. Isn't he cute? Look how fuzzy he is. I know. You smell all the essential oils on me. All right, well, we're going to say goodbye. Go finish up running around in the yard, right? Are we going to go run around in the yard? Are we going to go chase chipmunks? Is it Alvin? Are we going to go find Alvin? We have chipmunks on the property, and I call them all Alvin. So we say Alvin goes for a walk, and Alvin go home. He's like, where's Alvin? Where is he? Hey? All right, we're gonna say goodbye. I hope you guys all have a great day. Bye for now.